BSc third year students, semester 5th, paper is cell biology and molecular biology, cell biology and molecular biology. In our syllabus, whatever the syllabus they have mentioned for this paper, already what are the things we have studied, we have completed. That is the first chapter, the cell organelles, then what is meant by prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. What are the cell organelles? There is Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum, cell wall. All these things we have completed. In that again, another bit of this chapter, that is nucleus. It is also a big one. Details of the nucleus we have studied. After that, we have studied the cell division. There may be a 20 marks question on nucleus, but given detailed accounts on ultrastructure of nucleus and significance of nucleus. There will be a 20 marks questions or 10 marks questions of nucleus. Then another important bits of this chapter is cell division. It is also a very simple one and most important. There will be a 20 marks questions on mitosis and what are the different phases of mitosis and its significance. Then another important bits of this chapter is, that is meiosis, or it is also called as reduction cell division. Reduction cell, what are the different stages or phases of meiosis and its significance? There will be 20 marks questions will be always on these bits, mitosis and meiosis. Along with these 20 marks, there will be a 10 marks questions or 5 marks questions. With regards to 5 marks questions, what is the significance of mitosis or meiosis? And then what is meant by chiasmata? What is meant by chiasmata? Synapsis, synaptonomal complex. So all these things are 5 marks questions in mitosis and meiosis. Another important aspect for 5 marks question in this chapter is cell cycle. What is the cell cycle? These things are in this chapter. Then another important aspect of this paper, that is chromosomes. It is also a big beat of this chapter of this paper, that is chromosomes. In chromosomes, you have to be described definition of chromosomes. Already we have completed, we have taken all these things, but as a review, today we are going to be discussing all these things, that is chromosomes, definition of chromosomes, shape, number, size, morphology of chromosomes, ultrastructure of chromosomes, then chemical composition of chromosomes and significance of chromosomes. All these things we have already studied in this chapter, that is chromosomes, mitosis, meiosis, cell organelles. All these things already we have covered. So in that chromosome, one more things we have studied, that is G-end chromosomes are a special type of chromosomes. G-end chromosomes. G-end chromosomes. G-end chromosomes are special type of chromosomes. There will be always 10 marks question on G-end chromosomes. There are 2 types of G-end chromosomes. Or before going to be, already we have discussed what is meant by G-end chromosomes or larger chromosomes. These are the special type of chromosomes which are present in a certain larvae of insects. There are certain organisms are there, we will find such type of special type of chromosomes. There are 2 types of G-end chromosomes, that is Lamb-Bruch chromosomes and polytene chromosomes. Lamb-Bruch chromosomes and polytene chromosomes. While discussing, there will be 10 marks questions on Lamb-Bruch chromosomes and polytene chromosomes. First of all, you have to be why it is called as Lamb-Bruch chromosomes, who discovered Lamb-Bruch chromosomes, in which organisms will be observed such type of chromosomes. Then similarly, structure of Lamb-Bruch chromosomes. What is the structure of Lamb-Bruch chromosomes? Similarly, in polytene chromosomes also, who discovered, in which organism and in which organism such type of chromosomes are observed, then structure of polygyny chromosomes and its significance. So we have discussed these two things in earlier classes, that is Lambrus chromosomes and polygyny chromosomes. There will be 10 marks questions on Lambrus chromosomes and polygyny chromosomes. So this is regarding the cell biology syllabus. Now the second unit of this paper, that is molecular biology. Molecular biology. In molecular biology, the important chapter which is mentioned for our syllabus is nucleic acid. Nucleic acid. What are the nucleic acids, where they are present? Then what things you have to be studied in nucleic acid? So nucleic acid is nothing but a special type of acidic compounds which are present in the nucleus. They are known as nucleic acids. The whole life of every living cell, or livingness of every living cell or organisms, depends on nucleic acids. So there are two types of nucleic acids are present in the nucleus. That is DNA, deoxyribonucleic acids, and another one is RNA, ribose nucleic acid. These are the two types of nucleic acids are present in the living cells. In most of the higher organism, the nucleus contains DNA as a heretical materials, and it is bound in a special structure, that is chromosomes. Chromosomes are nothing but nucleic acids. Which carries heretical characters from one generation to other generations. The overall, whatever the metabolic activities, whatever the characters of the particular organisms are controlled by these two types of acidic compounds, that is nucleic acids and RNA molecules. So the DNA of the higher organism is from deoxyribose nucleic acid, or heretical materials of higher organism is DNA, deoxyribonucleic acids, or it is called as genetic material. So similarly, in lower organisms, for example viruses, the genetic material is RNA. So in this chapter, in this bits, we have to be study regarding the historical accounts of DNA and RNA. Then while studying the nucleic acid, that is the DNA, deoxyribose nucleic acids, you have to be focus on the discoveries regarding the identification and investigation regarding the nucleic acids, that is DNA and RNA. Then structure which was proposed by various molecular biologists regarding the structure of DNA and RNA. So here in DNA molecules, the most accepted molecular structure of the DNA, which was given by Watson and Crick model, So the details regarding that structural model which was given by Watson and Crick, you have to study. Then another important aspect: what are the nucleotides? What are the nucleosides? What is the main difference between nucleotides and nucleosides? Then what are the ribose molecules? Then phosphate groups and nitrogen bases. That is purines and pyrimidines. What are the purines and pyrimidines. What are the purines? What are the pyrimidines? So what is the structure of pentose sugar, phosphate group, purines and pyrimidines? So the four important nitrogen bases from which this nucleic acid is made up of, that is adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. Adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. These are the nitrogen bases from which DNA molecule is made up of. DNA molecule is made up of, and then RNA, DNA and RNA. So the details regarding all these nitrogen bases they have to be discussed in nucleic acids, and that is DNA, RNA. Then another important aspects in DNA molecule is that is replication of DNA molecule, replication or duplication of DNA molecules. They have to be discussed. What type of replication take place in DNA molecules. Then another important aspect you have to be study in DNA molecule is that is what are the different types of DNAs, ZDNA, all this thing, BDNA, whatever the types of DNA molecules they have to be discussed. Why it is called as ZDNA, all these things they have to be discussed. Then function of nucleic acids, function of nucleic acids. So these are the things you have to be discussed in nucleic acids. There will be a 20 marks questions on structure of DNA molecules and replication of DNA molecules. Structure of DNA molecules and replication of DNA molecules. There will be a 5 marks questions. Again, what is meant by semi-conservative mode of replication and what is meant by conservative mode of replication. There will be a 5 marks questions on nucleic acids. And now another important aspects in this chapter, that is RNA. What are the RNA? Why it is called as RNA? Ribose nucleic acid. Ribose nucleic acid. What are the different types of RNA molecules? Where they are present? And what is the role of these RNA molecules in living cells? So whatever the mechanism of protein synthesis take place, that is totally depends on DNA and RNA molecules. So there are three types of RNA molecules, that is mRNA, rRNA and tRNA. So three types of RNA molecules are there on their basis of their structure and functions. mRNA, mRNA is nothing but messenger RNA, and then rRNA means ribosomal RNA, and tRNA means transfer RNA. So when studying all these things, they have to be discussed here. What is meant by mRNA? Who discovered first mRNA molecules, and what is the structure of mRNA molecules and function of mRNA. Then similarly, rRNA, their structure and functions. Similarly, in tRNA, their structure and functions. So this is the overall, the complete portion of this molecular biology, that is DNA, RNA. Details regarding all these things you have to be studied in nucleic acids. And after that, nucleic acids, another important chapter which is mentioned for our syllabus is, that is chromosomal abbreviation. Chromosomal abbreviations. In chromosomal abbreviations, what is meant by chromosomal abbreviations? In that there are two types of chromosomal abbreviations: structural chromosomal abbreviations and numerical chromosomal abbreviations. What are the different type of structural chromosomal abbreviations? What are the different types of numerical chromosomal abbreviations, and their applications in plant breeding, and their application in plant breeding, how it is take place, and what is the role, what is the deficiency symptoms of all these things we have to be discussed in chromosomal abbreviations. With this, after completion of these two chapters, we are covering all the syllabus of cell biology and molecular biology. After completion of all these things, again we are going to be discussing the same syllabus and their questions. What type of the questions will be asked in examination, that is 20 marks questions, 10 marks questions and objectives. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow will be discussed regarding the nucleic acid. Okay.